Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Telegram, open the app and go straight to Settings. Once done, tap Privacy and Security, then choose Two-Step Verification. This is where you manage the password. You need your current password if one exists, or access to the recovery email to change it safely. Make sure to have a strong new password in mind. You'll be prompted to enter it and confirm it, so avoid temporary notes and use a password manager if needed. You now perform the main steps. Tap Change Password and enter your current password when Telegram asks. Next, type your new password and confirm it exactly. This prevents lockouts. You'll also be offered a hint. Use one that jogs your memory but doesn't reveal the password. If recovery email appears outdated, update it here. This is critical because without recovery you can lose access permanently. Once confirmed, Telegram encrypts the new credentials and applies them. You finish by completing the confirmation prompts. Telegram saves the new password and may ask you to re-log into active sessions. Once done, test the change. Log out and sign in, enter the verification code sent by SMS and then the two-step password to confirm it works. If you ever get locked out, use the recovery email immediately, and if that fails, contact Telegram support with proof of account ownership. This is your last resort, so keep recovery updated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.